Hey, what's going on, everybody? C-Mac from C-Mac Cooks. Hey, I get a lot of people asking about my Arteflame grill and want to get one, but what if you don't have room or you're not ready to make that big investment? Well, we've got something for you. So follow me up to the deck and I'll show you what we got. All right, back up on the deck as promised. So you can see I got my big green egg, my extra large, all fired up. Now, back to the Arteflame. So you don't have room for the big freestanding Arteflame, but you want that Arteflame experience cooking on a hot plancha. Well, if you got a big green egg, you got a Weber, a few other type of grills, Kamado Joe, they got a solution for you. Let's open this guy up. This is the Arteflame insert for the big green egg. So as you can see, it's got little 3-inch risers on it. We're just going to set that right in here. Boom. That's all you need to do. Functions just like cast iron, right? You season it the same way, gets nice and hot, cooking on the plancha, but you got a couple other tricks. I can also throw on the grill grate riser. And now I'm set for 2-level cooking. So I've not only got the plancha, when that heats up, to do some incredible searing, but I've got a grill up here to either rest food, keep it warm, or throw some steaks on here. I usually like to throw mushrooms on here. You can even get rid of the riser and go level with your grate. Any way you want to do it. So let's throw some food on here and I'll show you how to cook. Okay, so we're back. Let's get cooking. So as you can see, we got the grill grate riser, the lifted grate, also put on the food saver because, and I'll show you why, one of the things I love doing, love cooking, my family loves it, mushrooms. So we've got some button mushrooms, a little olive oil, a little Uncle Steve shake, and we got some portobello. So you might say, well, if you pour them out, aren't they going to fall in? Well, that's where the food saver comes in handy. All right. So you can see I can just throw them right in. We will a little arranging here. Here and see that sizzle. All right, so we got our mushrooms. I throw down a little bit of olive oil too. Get it ready for the chicken. And let's do that. Let's get the chicken on. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. As you can see, the back of my egg is hotter than the front. You know where your hot spots are. No problem. And one more thigh. We're good to go. So now it's just cooking. Now I close it a little bit just to get the convection going, and we'll check on that in a few minutes. All right, let's check out our food. See, I threw some little cherry tomatoes on the vine up top, a little color. We're getting a nice char. That's where the plancha comes in really handy. You get just a beautiful, beautiful sear on your food, whether it's chicken thighs like these or steaks, pretty much whatever. Those are coming along beautifully. Mushrooms look great. Give them a few more minutes and we'll be ready to roll. Okay, we're back. And here is the final result. Look at that. Beautifully cooked, nicely seared. It's fantastic. That's my lunch. Well, maybe not just my lunch. But listen, you might be asking yourself, C-Mac, that's great and everything. Love the insert. See you cook chicken and steaks and everything. But I love my Blackstone griddle or my Camp Chef. I love the big, you know, the area. And here, yeah, it is a little bit thinner, and this is an extra large. Arteflame's got you covered. Check this out. This is the new solid insert for the Big Green Egg. Let's throw it in. Same thing, you got your 3-inch risers, you got a special handle, and you're set. We're gonna let this heat up. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do with this. Come on back. Okay, we're back again. As you can see, we've got the solid insert, solid plancha, all in there. We're gonna hit it with a little oil. Seasoning, reseasoning is all the same on this guy as the regular insert, but this gives you more square inches to cook on. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a little stir fry. We got some little frozen veggies. I'm not worried about the little holes in the middle. You're gonna lose a little bit of anything small that goes down there, no big deal. You can scrape away from it. Again, not a big deal. Get a little bit more oil. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use that chicken too that we just cooked. But to this, I'm gonna add a little, I know, don't hate me, squeezed garlic. I'm being lazy. I love garlic. Get it in there. I'm gonna go with a little bit of soy sauce on the veggies. I'll put more in when we get to the rice, just to give that a little bit more liquid there to steam. And then you go to work like you're on your hibachi, right? Again, as you can see, get a lot more room on the plancha. By the way, one of these is great to have, a laser temperature gauge. I'm running about 360 in front, about 500 in the back, so it does get hot. Let's get some rice in here. This is not going to take long. Again, I'm being lazy. A little pre-cooked rice. Like to spread it out. Let's get some soy sauce on there. Any excess liquids, fats, there's about a 1/4 to 1/2 inch seam around. You just push anything out that you need to. But on this, we're not going to need to. I want to keep most of the liquid on because it's all soy sauce and olive oil. Diced up some of that chicken that we just cooked. Oh, I tell you, this is smelling so good. I mean, listen, it doesn't get easier than this, guys. and that is, we were really just cooking the veggies through. The chicken obviously was already cooked, the rice was cooked, just reheating it. But we are about done. If you want, you could have put some of the tomatoes and mushrooms in here, but I think we're about good. I'm going to shut down the lower vent. Let's go ahead and get this off. We got a nice little lunch going on. As much as that rice as you can. That's about good. I'll let that insert cool on down and then season it. But guys, that's what we got. It's a nice little chicken stir fry for lunch. That's the Arteflame, both inserts for the Big Green Egg. Again, also for Weber's and Kamado Joe's. Go to the website, they're fantastic. Definitely my favorite accessory for my Big Green Egg. That's it. Any questions, let me know. Have a great day. Happy New Year. Thanks for visiting.